Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone.com, and today I'm going to share with you our winter breakfast menu part 2. So I shared a winter breakfast menu that you all seem to love about a month ago, and I wanted to share a part 2, a little bit more inspiration for some healthy, hearty winter meals with a focus on protein, healthy whole grains, and just foods that are going to keep you going all morning. Day 1, we did an Einkorn Dutch baby pancake. These are great because you can get them in the oven while you're going about your day if you're doing laundry or milking the goats, like in my case. I like to use Einkorn. It's an ancient wheat that is easier to digest and super healthy. On day 2, I took some steak and made a country breakfast of steak and eggs. This is a protein-rich treat for maybe a weekend that everyone will love. On day 3, I made some homemade sourdough einkorn tortillas and made some breakfast quesadillas. This isn't something I do much. I kind of thought of it on a whim this morning. My husband said something about quesadillas, and then I was like, oh, I'll make breakfast quesadillas. And that's just a really easy thing to make, especially once you get familiar with making tortillas. They're so easy to whip up. Micah, do you want some? Day 4, I tried something brand new. I got this new Kamut cookbook and I saw her recipe for Kamut cinnamon coffee cake and had to try it for a cozy winter day in. We just milled up some fresh Kamut berries and followed her recipe. Day 5, I already shared my sourdough bagels on here before. I've shared the recipe over on my blog and they are a hit. Everyone loves sourdough bagels. I've made them countless times. I just love them. They're a perfect treat for Friday morning. I almost always make them on a Friday for a tradition. Today I wanted to do sweet. Now I planned to add some cinnamon and raisins just before shaping, but I noticed that I was out of raisins. So I ended up adding chocolate and shaping them, boiling them, baking them, and then I made a maple vanilla cream cheese to spread on them. I also dusted 4 of my bagels with an egg wash and then sprinkled cinnamon sugar on top and baked them that way. So good to add a little twist on my normal bagel recipe to make it sweet. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet seen my winter breakfast menu part 1, you can head over and check that out. It's in my From Scratch playlist. I will also link it in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you are brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.